Our recommendations for Aldi is For Me by Alicia Nathani, Aditya Patel, Connor Mack, Jake Wilczynski, Nick Smith, and Philip Iman.
We focused this application redesign primarily with Gen Z in mind, while also providing a simple, easy-to-use interface to allow use by a diverse audience. Ideally, this application will encourage the development of multi-generational families of Aldi customers by providing a format that can be easily personalized to individual needs. The application should appear clean-cut with minimal clutter. Social media apps provide indicators of well-researched color schemes to encourage maximum application usage, which, though these will change and need updated over time, currently focus around the use of bright, neutral tones. Currently, the application contains many links opened in a browser. For consistency's sake, all information should be displayed within the application.
The store directory is a search engine of all the products in store that will produce an aisle number and location of the item. This feature will make grocery shopping painless and more efficient for customers so that they don't need to spend unnecessary time looking for an item in the store.
The second feature we believe would increase the usage of the Aldi mobile app is a diet organizer. This would help capture sections of the market with food allergies, sensitivities, preferences, and specific dietary needs. This would operate by tagging each item in the store directory with a check mark for a variety of ingredients and classifications, such as dairy-free, nut-free, gluten-free, contains shellfish, high fiber, low cholesterol, etc. A user could then select the options they are looking for to build their Aldi shopping trip. An examination of the frequency of use of each category could provide valuable insight for future stocking to stay up to date with and meet the changing needs of the public.
The third feature is Health Facts. Health Facts is a nutrition and allergen guide for all products that Aldi sells. When a customer searches a product, they will immediately see a green, yellow, or red rating at the top of the product page, which tells customers if that product is go, slow, or whoa. In addition, at the top of each product page, all allergen warnings will be listed. As the customer scrolls down the page, there will be a basic food nutrition label. This feature is helpful for people with allergies who want to plan ahead and don't want to spend much time in the store. In addition, it encourages healthier lifestyles for all.
While the prior recommendations bring the Aldi mobile app up to speed with the best grocery store apps on the market, our fourth recommendation, the mobile planner feature, would set the Aldi app ahead of the curve and pull customers in from other stores. A digital mapping of each store would be created based upon the information in the store directory and a basic framework of the layout of each store. After a user creates their shopping list, this would organize the list according to the most efficient path through the store and provide a mapping of this path to the user. This would then provide a time estimate based on how busy the particular store typically is for that time and day of the week, and the estimated cost of the trip. By decreasing trip time, this will allow for faster customer throughput during rushes to help increase revenue, and provide a smooth shopping experience to help attract new customers and lock in existing ones.
The presence of hyperlinks to the web pages and social media pages of March of Dimes would help young parents and others to understand the nutritional facts of the products. Furthermore, it would encourage people to buy certain healthy products offered by Aldi. In addition to that, the links for Feeding America would positively affect the corporate social responsibility. Moreover, the presence of AHFK would attract educational institutions as they would prefer a company collaborating with a nationwide NPO. The first installation would be the independent functionality of all the website features within the app. This would remove the need to transfer to a browser and to access features such as searching and sorting by category. Given that this information is already contained in Aldi databases, this should be one of the fastest changes to implement, and it will bring the app up to speed with its competition. It would take 2 months to fully understand and implement the system. The second installment would update the food and drink databases. This would serve as the basis for the diet organizer and health fact features. Since it will be piloted by the first installment, it will be fast and cost-effective.
To measure the success of these updates, we would look at 3 key performance indicators: the website usage compared to the app usage, patterns of sales changes in stores referenced by the app, and the number of high ratings compared to the number of stores. The release of these updates should not only increase the app usage, but decrease the website usage, as this would indicate a high level of perceived convenience. Stores frequently referenced by the app should see an increase in sales above previously forecasted amounts to show that those using the application are actually completing their purchases. Finally, though the rating for the application is currently high, there aren't many ratings compared to the number of stores. An increase in the number of high ratings proportional to the number of stores would suggest that the users make up a strong portion of the Aldi customer base, and would indicate the amount of resources that should be put towards maintenance and development. After researching typical costs for the design process, development, and upkeep of an app, we formed this cost analysis estimating the amount it will take for the redesign. We separated the cost estimate into categories: hardware acquisition, software acquisition, installation, support, maintenance, infrastructure, downtime, and space and energy. Each category is broken up into the various prices that would be incurred with their corresponding cost estimates. We recommend renting cloud storage rather than buying a server, as it would be the lower cost option. All in all, our total estimate for the entire redesign is $247,785.